So now let's see how we can work around with the canvas effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say what I want to do is apply a canvas effect onto it. So to do that, you need to go around onto the effects menu, and then you need to go around over here onto the texture section right here, and then you can go ahead and choose canvas just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, then you can see that I can change around the transparency of the canvas as I like. So I can increase and decrease the transparency of the canvas right here. And I can see that it looks much more like a cardboard as I do this. I can also go ahead and change around the emboss, as you can see just like this, and change around the offset as I like as well. So I can work around with the X offset and the Y offset, and this is what you have. I can work around with the rows and columns right here and change around the offset right here just like this as well. And I can even go ahead and stretch to fit. Apart from that, I can go ahead and choose different textures as I like as well. For example, this texture, or let's say for example this texture, and so forth. And I can go ahead and change around the offset as I like right here, just like this. So that is how I can go ahead and work around with the canvas effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.